Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a tutor account on Preply. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly, come to the official web page of Preply. So search on Google Chrome and come to the first link. Now all you have to do is just simply click on become a tutor. Now do a quick sign up with your email address over here, enter your password, then just simply click on sign up with email. So you're creating an email, so you can enter any password or an email account, and after that click on sign up. Now over here you have to fill up the entire form. So there will be 8 parts. About section, photo section, then certifications, education, description, videos, availability, and in the end pricing. So let's fill up all the details. In the about section, enter all the details over here given to you. Now the selected language, just simply choose how good you are. So C2 is the best option if you are not a native English speaker. I'm going to choose that. Then select the subject that you're going to teach. So it's going to be English. Then enter your phone number, but it's optional, so you can skip it if you want to. Then check this box if you are above 18, then click on next. Now over here you have to upload your image. You can see the requirements right over here. Now a good photo is very important because students are going to see that photo and then click on your profile. So there are some criteria that you have to follow, as you can see right over here. So just simply upload your photo right over here. So after you uploaded the photo, simply crop it, then click on next. So if you have any teaching certification, just simply enter them over here, or if you have a certificate photo, you can also upload that over here. So I don't have any certification yet, so I'm going to choose this option, then click on next. Now over here you have to give your education level, so enter all of the details. You can also choose I don't have a degree if you don't have one. So after filling up the entire detail, if you have a diploma, you can also upload that. After that, click on next. But if you have more than one education details, you can also add more education fields and fill up those as well. And in the end, click on next. Now give a brief description about yourself, so add some details over here. Now after that, just simply click on continue. Now enter teaching experience, and after that again click on continue. After filling up this panel, again click on continue. Now in the end, make sure to write a very good heading because that's the entire thing that your students will see. So after that, click on next. Now over here you have to shoot your introduction video, so you can directly shoot from your webcam, but you can also upload your own file. So click on test camera, and after that your recording should stop. Now what you can do is just simply upload your recorded video that you have recorded on your computer beforehand. You can just simply upload that on any of the platforms like YouTube or Venmo. So after you've done that, just simply paste your link right over here, and after you have done that, just simply click on next. Now over here, just simply choose your time zone, and if it is correct, click on next. So over here you can select your schedule, then click on next. Now enter your hourly rates. You can also click on the drop down box to see the Preply commissions, and in the end click on complete registration. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like subscribe to our channel and take care.